Hello, today I'm going to show you how to set up a professional email for your Squarespace website if you have your domain registered and purchased through Squarespace. So this will not work if your domain is somewhere else. Hi, I'm Sarah from Sarah Quinn Design Studio, and let's get to it. So what you're going to do is come into the log into Squarespace. You'll find your site. It's going to go to settings. Domains and emails. There are a few different ways to get to this part here, but this is one way that I'm showing you. Then click onto Google Workspace. You'll just select your plan that you want. There's a few different offerings, so have a look and see what's going to be the most suitable plan for your business. And then obviously can you pay annually or monthly, and you do save 16% paying annually. So we'll confirm that. Now at this next section here, you're going to enter your business details and then the username for your email address. Now you may like to have this as your name, or you may prefer to have it as a generic name. So something like hello or info at. That is completely up to you as to what you think is going to work best for your business. Now, once you've set one up, you can come in later down the track and set an additional email address up. You do have to pay a little bit more for that to have a second name, but it's not too much, but just something to think about. I have a feeling you can probably change this in the back end once you are set up. So if you do want to go back and make amends, but otherwise, yeah, just thinking about what you think is the most appropriate for your business. If it's a personal and they're going to be dealing directly with you, I think having your name is nice. If there might be multiple people in your business or it's a bit less personal, something like hello or info, especially if you might have an e-commerce site and you need a generic email where people might want to know how to get a refund and that sort of thing. A little bit different if your business is a solopreneur and it's really based around you and the service that you offer, then perhaps I would go with your own name. And then one other thing to just think about is that if you are so Squarespace has three tiered plans. So the middle and the higher tier plans, the first year of Squarespace, you can get Google's G Suite for free. So that is maybe something worth considering. I think it works out a similar price if you're on the base plan. So if you're on base, I would just probably pay unless there's features in there that you need, but that's just worth having a look into. And it does change from time to time. So just check what is relative at the moment now when you're looking for your site versus when this has been filmed. If you have any other questions, let me know, but really it's just following all these prompts through. It's really intuitive and easy to set up, and it's what I use in my business and I think it's great. So good luck and let me know if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye.